Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be looking at multiplication facts that link trios of numbers. What do we need for today? A worksheet. Mental learning objective. I can quickly recall my multiplication facts for the 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times table. Mental learning task. Today we are going to focus on multiplication. You will be looking at the way three numbers are linked together. A number to start with, another number to multiply it with, a third number which is the answer of multiplying them. The answer has a special name. The answer is called the product. To warm up today, we're going to count on and back in different numbers. Count to 50 or above and back in 2s. Pause the video and play the game. Count to 50 or above and back in 3s. Pause the video now and play the game. Count to 50 or above and back in 4s. Pause the video and play the game. Count to 50 or above and back in 5s. Pause the video and play the game. Count to 50 or above and back in 10s. Pause the video and play the game. Mental learning task. See if you can now answer questions on the 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table. Everyone answer together. What are 2 7s? 3, 2, 1, tell me. Great, you all said 14. What is double 3? 3, 2, 1, tell me. Awesome, you all said 6. Is 40 a multiple of 5? 3, 2, 1, tell me. Yay! Of course it's a multiple of 5, because 8 times 5 makes 40. What is 3 times 9? 3, 2, 1, tell me. Brilliant! The answer is 27. How many 5s in 35? 3, 2, 1, tell me. That's correct. The answer was 7. Multiply 4 by 8. 3, 2, 1, tell me. The answer, of course, was 32. What is the product of 5 and 8? 3, 2, 1, tell me. The answer was 40. What is 8 divided by 2? 3, 2, 1, tell me. Of course, the answer was 4. Your mental learning objective today was, I can quickly recall my multiplication facts for the 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table. Here's our main learning objective. I know how to multiply numbers. Key idea. 4 times 6 equals 24. Also, 6 times 4 equals 24. Or whatever fact of the day the class is concentrating on. So, today we're going to focus on multiplying. Main learning task. Today we are looking at multiplying and working with trios of numbers. Here are some numbers. There are links between some of these numbers. Before we continue, pause the video and see if you can work out what they might be. Can you see any other links between any of these numbers? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Can you see any other multiplication or division links to these numbers? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Can you make these links into number sentences? Pause the video and show your teacher. Can you point out all the numbers that are in the same table? Pause the video and show your teacher. How could we record these links? Pause the video and talk about it with your teacher. We could draw lines to them. Draw lines between the numbers you link together in the chart. Even better if you use different coloured pens. Pause the video and complete the task. Simplification. Suggest they stick to easier tables. Now complete the worksheet on linking numbers. Here are some number sentences. Write about these number sentences. How could you link them together? Like 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 divided by 4 makes 3. For each group of 3 numbers, you should be able to make 4 sums. You can use each number as often as you want. So, pause the video and complete the task. Main learning task. Finally, spend some time completing this multiplication square. Pause the video and play the game. Main learning objective. I know how to multiply numbers. Polynomials. Choose a fact of the day that the children find together. Play a game of fizz. Sit in a circle. Say a number, the number sequence starting from 1. Thanks for watching. We like to make maths more fun at First Maths. So you can click on a new video, or you can click here and you can click and become a subscriber to my channel. You will be one of the first to know when I have uploaded new maths resources. Every one of my maths resources is designed to make maths teaching easier and more fun. To explore more of my maths channel, please click on one of the 2 videos here. Have fun and love maths. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!